Hi everybody! Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday!
Okay, pupunta kami sa Luna because Sunday is church day. So, ang tagal ng ating mga kasama. I'm still waiting for them. Lola, come on! Salamin ko. Ang tagal naman. My OOTD for today. Hello, I'm your first. Kakandidato po ako dito, Barangay Captain.
Naglalamig. In Manila, hindi pa naglalamig. Raining in Marina, hindi ikaw nagpunta. Look at me. My baby dragon.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is a baby dragon on my head.
Si Madam Wendy, kasat ng jowa niya.
Nanonood ako.
Ay na. Welcome to our, ano ba to, barangay? Our small barangay, right?
Small town.
Yes. Life in the Philippines. Stray dogs. And this is our house. Welcome to MS Residence. There.
Welcome to MS Residence. Please book early.
Tour.
This is our reception. Okay, upstairs. Can accommodate 60 to 80 person. Book through Airbnb or Agoda, or you can book direct to my Facebook page. MS Residence, Transient Home San Juan, La Union. MS Residence, Transient Home San Juan, La Union. So here, we have our reception. As you can see, MS Residence. And for Miss, because I'm still single. Mylene Sanglay or Megan Sanglay. Reception, and upstairs is also our receiving area. You can do karaoke here. Just here, cut mo yon. And we still have on our way, we have our loft house, 1A, 1B. So both house can accommodate 15 packs each. This one is still under construction. Hopefully upstairs we're gonna have a rooftop where we can do Zumba, exercise, events. Cut mo naman yung mga putol-putol.
So yes, pupunta kami ngayon sa may Luna, La Union. The Lady of Namakpakan. It's my last day in La Union. Only stayed here for a few days and yes, paus ako kasi nag-party-party kami ng Friday. And hindi na ako naka-vlog since then kasi it took me more than a day to recover.
If we came back from church, I'll give you my razor and then clean it all, okay? Shave it all, okay?
How about your mustache?
Everything, every hair you see, just remove it, okay?
I would shave your mustache.
Yeah. This is beard. This is mustache. What about this one?
Beard.
No,
Beard.
no,
Beard.
no,
Beard.
no, not beard. What's this? What is English of this?
Chin.
Chin beard. Oh,
Chin beard?
Is it right?
No.
No? What is it?
It is a beard.
Just a beard.
Yes. You're gonna have a mustache to your mouth.
what? Sorry.
Your mouth is gonna grow a mustache right there in your mouth.
Ah, okay. It's really hard.
It's really hard to ano.
You're bald.
Yeah, I'm bald. I'm not bald. Bald.
What did you pray for, Cyron?
I pray for, be smart and sana protektahan ni Jesus. Pinag-pray ko rin ngayon.
Ano pinag-pray mo sa akin?
Always be safe and layo-layo sa mga toxic na
Like you?
Ay, yeah.
What did you pray for?
Yung gusto ko yung pamilya ko ang safe. Ana, gusto ko sila, hindi sila malibo.
Libo. Ayaw mo sila mag-leave. Oh, ikaw, batang makulit. What did you pray for?
Ayaw ko mama ko magmatay.
Ano?
Ayaw ko mama ko mag-leave. Ayaw ko mama ko mag-leave.
Oh. Lola, what did you pray for?
Naibak ako.
Naibak ako. Ikaw, ano pinagdasal mo? Ano pa did you pray for? What did you pray for?
Yumaman na ako.
Yan, pinagdasal mo. Ayan.
Regalo sa akin ni Tita.
Wow. Ang generous talaga ni Madam Mylene. Wow.
Siyempre, kailangan nating peace be with you.
Peace be with you, peace.
Amen. Pero noong mga 3,000 years ago, ganito po yung itsura. Yan po yung original na Pilipino. O, gumigitigan ka pa ng ipin.
Hi everyone! Dito kami ngayon sa bahay na bato. OOTD check.
Ayan, yung mga bata pa, ganyan ang itsura. O, ganyan, ganda ng mga tayong-tayo. O, ngayon, ganyan na po yung daddy niya. Yan. Ganyan na po, bumagsak.
Parehas na.
Kamukha di po ba?
How do you find the art? How do you find the art? Define art. Tingin mo, paano ang art?
Drawing.
Passion towards art.
Welcome sa bahay na bato.
Bakit tumatawa? Pero grabe yung init. Kasi yung steam nung... Wow! The steam. This is my hacienda. Welcome to the hacienda. The Megan.
Kaliya, baka mas magaling ka pa. Dali, picturean mo ako. Oh, ang galing niya! Oh, ang galing!
Let me hold.
Oh, ang galing!
What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, this is my last day in La Union and we're gonna be celebrating graduation!
My birthday.
It's your birthday! And our top one graduated merit awardee. Wala lang. Lola, are you happy sa yung mga apo mo?
Yes, I am happy. Very, very happy.
Wow! Ano masasabi mo meron ka ng grade 6? O mag-high school na siya, anong feeling mo?
Hindi nga ako maiyak-iyak kasi iniisip ko agad yung college yan nila.
Yung gastos.
College level. Oo.
Ate, kaya anong feeling mo meron ka ng college? Ikaw ka na, Kalia? Are you gonna work na?
Work ka na. Apply ka na.
Work ka na? No? You don't wanna work?
Palipos ka na lang. Ini-ignore daw kasi walang bebenta ng gawin. Dati daw
top 1 ka naman. What? Kanino nagmana, Lola? Kanino nagmana?
Papa niya.
Ba't hindi kay mama?
So, ano feeling nakakit ka ng stage? Wow! Ikaw, Lola, what do you feel? Your message?
I feel happy.
Anong feeling na bago ang pustiso mo ngayon?
Di bago yan.
Di ba?
Nalalaglag nga kasi luma.
Tingnan natin yung gift nila. Do you want your gift, Akina? Do you want your gift na?
Ayan na, oh my God.
Kalia! Akina! Happy birthday! And of course, our... Wow! You like it? Can I see? Oh, pakita mo Can I see? Wow!
Hanggang college na yan.
Wow! Like it, ate? Wow. Yan yung gusto mo, di ba?
Kompleto na sila, oh.
Wow! You Ay, ang cute! Mama mo namili niyan. Pag di mo gusto, si mama mo yung piliin mo.
Sumagot sila.
Do you like it? Do you like it, Kilia? You like Tita's gift? Yeah. Kiss mo na si Tita. Kiss mo na si Tita. Kiss. Happy birthday! Yeah, bakang kiss ito, kiss.
Alam ko nasabay lang sila.
You like your gift? You like Elsa? Ay. Plastic. Wow! Wow! Punta kay Lola. Punta kay Lola.
It's a fresh plant.
Wow! You like it? You like it daw. Thank you, Lola. Hug, Lola. Hug. Hug mo si... Ay.
Kahit sa school.
You like it?
Yes.
Wow! Yeah.
Tubo yan lang dyan.
Bigyan na natin yung gift ng mga baget.
Thank you!
Wow! Sharon!
Uy, sino ko dito? Uy, katabi mo lang ako.
Uy! Wala akong ampaw eh.
Grabe. Uy, nagkita.
Ay, wala yung matanda.
Okay.
Tuloy ko talaga.
Millionaire naman ako.
Wow!
Oh my God!
Wow!
Sa pag-
Wow! Eh, di ka na.
Shisha. Shisha.
Sige na, kain na. Ate, bakit ako po yung walang plato? Ako po yung magbabayad. Eat well, everyone. Eat well. Eat well po. Split talaga ng face mo.
Heart-shape yan.
Nakabutan pa silang kanina. Paglupa.
Meron silang carbonara.
Kailan gusto mo carbonara?
Ganda mo dyan, oh.
Oo nga. Nakapalit na mukha.
Ba't di ka nag-dress? Ba't di ka dapat nag-dress siya, di ba? Oo.
Para kung teacher na pumunti.
Ito po sa Ate Kai. Siya po ang... want water? Ganda ka dyan, ah.
Pero nga ako check.
We're gonna sing doon ka sa doon ka.
Oo, baka meron din ka din pa.
Lighter. Wow!
I want the white one.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Nakakatakot.
Ganyan lang yan, oh. Ikaw, happy birthday! Ano ba? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wish, 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 wish!
What's your wish?
Wish!
Ito ay napalit si Papa.
Ano yan?
Mabalik si Papa.
Ito mapalit si Papa.
Kamay niya, baby, magmumalo.
Yay! Happy birthday, Kinang!
Daddy, look, it's rainbow.
Cute naman pala niyan.
Ang cute nga eh.
Oh, yay! It's rainbow.
Blow niyo na yung cake! Yee! You like the bag, Kalia? Yun na yung bag mo hanggang college.
Hanggang college. Eh, gagamitin ko na lang yan pag naglipat kami sa iba.
Ay!
Kailan
Wow!
pa lang, bebe? Parang wala tayong usapan na ganyan.
Mag-international school ka na ba? Nilipat ka na ng school?
Naku,
Saan school ang gusto mo?
Lasal. Dapat din sa ano?
Vineyard.
Kapangin. Harvard.
Katbangin daw.
Classroom lang. Hindi naman.
Kinabahan ka agad doon, ah. Ibang
Baka kami
school.
usapan na gano'n eh.
Guys, welcome to our vlog.
Let's see kung waterproof. Tingnan natin kung... Oh, waterproof! Kinang ah! Waterproof! Waterproof yung bag ni ate. Waterproof ito. Waterproof.
Kain pa. Bakit? Mapapautot na ako. Lola, how old are you?
81.
Do you feel like you're 81?
I feel like 16.
Wow! What's your Facebook? You tell people, please like.
And subscribe. Thank you for
What's the name of your vlog?
Akina and Ate. Follow me on my Facebook account. Akina and Ate Erika Paget.
Go, Lola. Nasa other side ka na ng world. Nasa kanya na po ba ang huling halakhak? Oh! This is my second to the last day in the Philippines. And tapos na ang ating Philippine diaries. And mayroong nagkakahol na doggy doon. Kasi nagkalat siya kanina.
Your breakfast is served. Your breakfast is served, boss.
Today is the day. Oh, you sad, my Wally. Ha? Iyak na siya. Iyak ka na.
See you soon. Okay, I love you. Love you,